Today we find out what type of mask celebrities like most.
Plus, we play a game of Beauty Scramble with the head of glam for E! News.
And we take a look at the art of microblading. This is Beautytap TV.
Give me a chance to make it right. Just let me touch you like the first time. We don't need answers to survive. Just let us keep on with the black guys.
So Elaine, on an earlier episode, we discussed that celebrities love K-beauty products.
Yeah, we did. We talked about how we see it all over their social media. I saw them posting it on their Instagram, on their Twitter. It's always photos of them like wearing their masks. It's super fun.
So they love masks, right?
Yeah, I've seen them use a lot of sheet masks and lip masks, mostly.
Well, we love sheet masks.
I mean, I always love a good sheet mask.
But do you think celebrities love their sheet masks or their lip masks?
I don't know. I feel like they use both a lot. Yeah, I've never used a lip mask, so I'm not sure
Neither have
what they do, but
let's play a game and find out which one celebrity like better.
sure, let's do it.
Emma Stone.
She's got some really nice lips.
I was gonna say she's kind of known for her pout, which would lead me to believe that she is a lip mask
I would
user.
say she's a lip mask user
Okay,
too.
are you gonna count us down?
Sure. 3, 2, 1. There
Lips.
you go. Oh my God, that's a great photo.
I think we've seen this before.
I think we have when we were going over what was really popular among
celebrities. And I think the lip mask is very hydrating and plumping.
Those look really interesting.
And she looks very excited
She looks
to use
so
it.
excited. All right,
Okay, are you ready
let's
for the next
go.
one? Justin Bieber.
Justin Bieber. I mean, I would assume face mask.
I would say face. He doesn't seem like a lip mask kind
right.
of guy. Are you
Okay,
ready?
Yes. 3, 2, 1. Face mask.
Face.
There you go.
Got it.
That's a great photo.
That's a
I mean,
really
you always
interesting-
look really interesting when you're wearing these
Remember
things.
when I wore mine?
Yes, that was
sheet mask?
great. I'm gonna have to screenshot that. Chrissy Teigen. Oh, that's
Teigen.
hard. I mean, she looks
She has a
beautiful all
full
the time.
face and a full lip.
lips are
so
nice, too.
it's a 50-50. I'm gonna say lip.
I was gonna say lips as well.
Are you ready?
Yes. Let's do it.
Count
3,
it.
2, 1.
Oh,
Face. I mean, maybe she uses both, but in this photo, she's wearing
face.
a face
so
mask.
I think we both missed that
Yeah,
one.
we did. Jessica
Jessica
Alba.
Alba, that's a great photo.
I'm gonna say face for her. She has really nice skin.
She has beautiful skin, and
Yeah.
I'm gonna say face as well.
Okay, let's do
Okay,
it.
count it
3,
down.
2, 1. We were wrong. Lips.
That's 2 that we've been wrong on now.
I know.
Are we losing our touch?
I think we are.
Okay, let's
Let's
see.
do it.
Lady Gaga. Okay, I'm gonna say just because the lip mask looks kind of interesting and she's an interesting gal, so I'm gonna say she's more partial to lip.
I will say face on this one.
Oh,
Let's
okay.
see.
Should we bet money?
Maybe
Maybe
not.
not this time. Okay.
Okay, let's go.
Are you gonna count it down?
3, 2, 1. You were right. Lips. Let's see.
I would have got some money off
Collagen
of
lip
that.
jelly mask. That's interesting.
So plumping, hydrating.
Yep.
Are you ready for the next
Hudson.
one? Kate Hudson.
I would say face for her. She has a really,
I mean, I
she
would
has a
say
really
face
nice complexion,
too.
for
Nice
sure.
complexion. That seems a very safe bet. Count it down.
All right, 3, 2, 1. There you go. Oh, that's an interesting one.
I've never seen that. Like 24 karat gold.
Very nice.
They're fancy.
Kim Kardashian.
Next.
I mean, she has really nice lips. And she has
I
really
think
nice
this is a
skin.
wild card. You say what? Lips?
I'm gonna say lips.
I'm gonna say face.
Okay, let's do it. 3, 2, 1. Lips it is. Now we're tied.
Okay, I think we're tied, judges.
Oh, and she's doing an eye
okay.
mask too.
Oh, very nice. And flowers. This, it's very Instagrammable.
It is.
I think this is kind of the
The look.
the look.
Drew Barrymore.
I mean, definitely known for her pout, her
Yes.
lips.
But
I'm
look
gonna
at her
say lips.
skin.
It's beautiful, but I'm gonna say lips.
I'm gonna say face.
Okay,
Okay.
count it down.
3, 2, 1. Look who's winning.
I don't like the sound of this, Elaine. I don't like the sound of this.
Shall we keep going?
Okay.
P. Diddy.
P. Diddy.
This is kind of hard.
I'm gonna say face just because he doesn't seem like a lip mask kind of guy, although I don't know. It's
I want to say
2018.
lips, just because, let's just see what
guess,
happens.
I guess you're possibly winning. We'll have to look at the judges later, but count it down.
All right, 3, 2, 1. It's a tie.
Is it tied, judges?
We tied! Good job, us.
So we know our celebrity mask culture.
We do. And speaking of celebrities, I am super excited to introduce our guest today. She is a celebrity makeup artist who has one of the longest celebrity client lists I've ever. I mean, let me just read off a few of them for you because I was amazed. Okay, we have Chris Hemsworth, Josh Duhamel, Maria Menounos, Joseph Gordon-Levitt, Olivia Munn, Betty White.
Say no more. Betty White, she's legit.
The list goes on, and she's also the head of glam for E! News. Ladies and gentlemen, please welcome Emily Hache.
Emily, thank you so much for joining us.
Thank you for having me.
Yeah, absolutely. So, makeup artistry, I think, has many different avenues and different paths. Where did yours really start? How did you get to where you are?
Ever since I was a little girl, I loved playing with my mom's makeup, my grandmother's makeup. My grandmother was sick when I was young, and so she wore a lot of wigs, and so I was always like in her closet, like playing with her wigs and playing with her makeup. And yeah, I mean, my mom would put me in pants and like a button down, and then I would go upstairs and I would come down in a dress. So I've always been like very girly and into girly things.
Fantastic.
Yeah.
Are you in charge of kind of creating the personality's look itself? Or does someone kind of say, this is what I'm comfortable with, and you add to it, you perfect it, tweak it?
I would say I do both. I mean, there's definitely a look that E! wants their hosts to look like, so it's nothing too crazy. It's they want their talent to feel kind of girl next door. They want everybody to be able to relate to our talent. So our look is very much, it's all about beauty. It's just kind of enhancing our talent to make them feel like confident on camera.
Well, so what is your take on kind of like the evolution of how the beauty industry has gotten to where it's at now, and also the makeup industry? I would say that they're two different things, but.
I am hoping that we kind of move towards the natural kind of look. I feel like with Instagram, it's very much young girls feel that there's this look that they have to walk out of the house with all this contour and highlight, and unfortunately, that's not what necessarily translates in person.
Right.
You know, there's a look that's on camera that can look amazing, and photo shoots that can look amazing, but I have always been a makeup artist that sticks with just enhancing somebody's natural beauty, and even through this contour and highlight, I've always stuck with what I feel like is how women should look. You know, I feel like you should be able to kind of go on camera and then go out to dinner and still look beautiful. And there's a way to do that. And so, you know, that's been kind of hard for me because I will have talent in my chair and they're like, no, I want that contour, I want that heavy look, and I can do it, but I don't necessarily support it.
So being a makeup artist, working in the beauty industry, being head of glam, what are some of your inspirations that you draw from? Whether it be for yourself personally, for your clients in general?
I look towards a lot of, I think, like the celebrities, a lot of the A-list celebrities. I feel like they don't necessarily have to fall into that kind of Instagram look. You know, they kind of just because they're more red carpet, and that's definitely more of a natural look. So I look to, you know, like A-list celebrities and kind of see, and to their makeup artists to see what they're doing. And you can still get funky and creative without being heavy-handed.
Being head of glam for E! and working with cameras and, you know, for the audience that might really appreciate Instagram and kind of always being Insta-ready, what are some things that audience members at home can do and we can learn that can make us instant ready for the camera? So we always take that perfect shot. What are some tips and tricks or maybe some products that you would recommend?
Okay, first of all, lighting
is so important.
And it doesn't, you don't need to have like the professional,
Stage
you know, it's just like catching that light at like 4:30, 5 o'clock. And then it's concealer, mascara, a little lip gloss, and your brows.
I think we managed it.
I think we have.
4:30 to 5 o'clock.
Yes.
Okay, PM, mascara,
Got it.
concealer,
Got
lip
it.
gloss.
Yeah, cover up those dark
brows.
circles.
There you
And
go.
you know, a little color in your cheeks. You know, you can keep it like
It's so
light
simple.
Nice.
and fresh. And with the right lighting, I mean, it kind of blurs everything else out. You really don't need much.
That's
We're
very
camera
simple.
ready.
Yeah. Okay, so minus the glam and all the glitz, what is it really like to work in Hollywood? I want to know the dirty secrets.
Long hours.
Long hours.
You really need to put in your time. I mean, when I first started out, I made nothing, but I was getting experience. It's all about getting experience and learning how to be professional on a set, to be on time. Be on time. Please be on time. You know,
If nothing else, show up on
Right.
time.
just show up
Right.
on time.
Yeah.
You know, there are some artists out there that are so talented, but they're late and they're unprofessional. And you can be really talented, and be on time and be professional, and you will get that job over somebody else that may be a little better than you. But it's like if you have the whole package, you're talented, you're professional, you're on time, you're easy to work with, you're a team player. It goes a long way, especially with me and the type of artists that I hire.
No, yeah, well, I think
If
that's
that-
good advice for
you know,
anything in life,
in general.
Hollywood or
But,
not.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Definitely. Okay, so what is your favorite Hollywood makeup trend right now?
I love the vampy lip. I love a dark lip.
I love them
think,
too.
and that's been kind of the last couple years, but it's still very much on trend. And also like the blue, like a dark kind of like smoky kind of like blue, or just like a blue liner,
I like that a lot.
like a bright blue line, and then like no shadow, no lip, just very
Like a pop of
neutral.
color.
Yeah,
I
that's
like that.
also I love that too.
Awesome. Well, thank you so much. I think we are ready to be more glamorous.
Yes.
We definitely learned a thing or two. If you wouldn't mind holding tight, because we're going to play a game. Do you want to join us?
Sure.
Okay, cool. So we're going to play a game, but if you don't mind, we just got to set some stuff up. And we're back.
Okay, I hope you guys are ready for this game. It's called Beauty Scramble. So basically the gist of it is there are gonna be very common beauty terms on this screen that are gonna be scrambled. And if you can unscramble it, you click your bell, you get a point if you get it right, but you get a point off if you get it wrong. So you need to make sure that your answer is right.
Okay.
And we're really, Elaine and I are really competitive. So
We
I
are. I hope
you
you're competitive with us. So
Came
this
to
will be
win.
Well,
super fun.
I get angry.
Oh,
If you're
okay.
on my team and you're not winning,
Well, you are your own
So,
team
okay,
today.
that's
So-
probably-
You can only get mad at yourself.
yeah, that's a good thing.
All right.
Okay.
So are you guys ready for this?
Yeah.
Here we go.
Okay.
First word.
Oh.
Was I right? I think I was first. Toner.
Ah.
Am I right?
Shit, you guys are doing well. Good job.
All right.
Okay. Can I swear?
Go for
Mascara.
it. You got that right. Oh! I think it was
Highlight.
I'll give it
Ing.
to her. Emily.
Highlighter. What?
Yep,
Highlighter.
highlighter. Okay.
Wait, what's the score?
I think all three of us have one.
Well, yeah. Okay,
All
tied.
three of us. Okay, here we go.
My hand's ready. Oh, do you guys know these
Eyeliner.
beforehand?
No.
What the heck? Can I
Got
start?
another one.
Okay.
All right,
Wait.
ready?
Moisturizer. Okay, now I'm getting upset.
Yeah, you got it. You got
Oh,
it. You got
God.
it. Okay, here we go.
I'm getting scared.
I'm sweaty.
I am so hot. Oh,
I got a foundation. No, it was me.
Everyone's bells
my
are
God.
everywhere.
Okay,
I'm
okay.
getting hot.
It's
okay.
hot. I'm upset. Oh, I don't even know that.
Concealer.
Jared's just cheating now.
No, I'm not cheating. 18 years, baby. 18 years.
All right.
Oh, God.
I'm the
scared.
swiper
Oh,
here.
I'm so
I'm
sorry.
the
Oh, I
swiper.
forgot. That's right. Ugh. Okay.
Here we go.
Lip balm.
Oh, how did you even?
Suck it!
Okay, let's go.
Thank you. I think I am a little disappointed. I just.
It's okay. I support you.
She doesn't even know what it is, but
You
she
just
thinks-
want to hit the bell.
I got it. I got
You
it.
did. Okay, what is it?
I don't know.
Really?
The hip.
Okay, fine, I'll give it to Elaine.
Blush.
God, I suck at this.
Judges,
Blush.
I mean, I think Jared cheated on this one.
I did not
But
cheat.
I think you guys got cards
No,
before.
no, we
I
didn't.
I have no
That's
idea.
What
Who
I
won?
think
Who
happened.
won here? Does anyone know?
Judges, I won, right?
Yes. Jared, no, sit down. You cannot, no. Mm-mm.
In any case, thank you so much. We had a blast.
So much fun.
Now, let me ask you something. Have you heard of microblading or been involved? You have?
I have.
Oh, you
yes,
had?
I did. I've had
Okay.
it done, yes. Mhm.
Oh, you've had it done?
Yes.
Oh, fantastic. Well, Elaine and I haven't really heard of it, although I have. I personally want it done.
Okay.
We're actually going to take a look at a tutorial which will show us a little bit more about microblading. Okay?
Cool.
Take a look.
Follow Beautytap at Beautytap Official on Instagram and join our community and sign up to become a member at beautytap.com. Thank you so much for joining us and see you guys next time.
Bye.
Bye.